Gujarat International Finance Tech City, GIFT City, is a business district currently under construction on the banks of the Sabarmati River in Gujarat state, India. GIFT City aims to be a smart city for India's growing finance and technology sectors. It hopes that promise of intelligent design and the most modern infrastructure, including gas, electricity and transport, will attract businesses from other parts of India as well as overseas. The business district is being built between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Construction started on the 886-acre site in 2013 with completion set for 2023. Project designers aim to build state-of-the-art connectivity and urban transport systems into the city from the ground up. The scheme also intends to make services such as telecoms and broadband as well as environmental protection key parts of the city's design. Innovations include a district-wide cooling system and automated vacuum waste collection. The new city is currently in the early stages of development and has 3 large office buildings, a school and a data center. Workers are bussed in from surrounding areas. City bosses hope GIFT's first homes will be ready in 2018. A 4-tower World Trade Center complex is planned for completion by 2020. GIFT City developers claim the new business district has attracted $2 billion of investment.
मजे पब्लिक जाती रही करा बराबर है।